supposed to love me tonight.
Yeah, man. Pra. DJ Easy, pra. Yaga. Why you say? You know me, I come down in the grade dimension, nafa. Yeah.
Yo, da. Mo fe me da ke roko onto the night show. Ye katim ye nedu ya wajase.
Yeah, man, you know me talk about we have to come in a great style. Rapping for the motor one them, yeah, man.
Na kura coffee mfre mi bo ke tore usonga mi ya ne ke poko.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
we are coming in a great style.
We are daddy. Yo.
Yeah, easy beat upon the stereo.
Woo! Meow.
Waka.
Meow.
Bamba. No, that one not join now. Anyway, on a good evening and welcome on Sunday night show for today. We be March. What is today date again?
Leave
I
the
don't
date.
forget date.
No, then I was on your birthday on a 5th of March. You cannot forget it.
I was on your Playboy yesterday.
He very fit. He scored 2 goals.
He scored 2 goals.
Hey, for MKO Abiola. No, he scored 2 goals. If you see him, you know be like who be 78 years old.
Hey! Now me say that guy. I'm not gonna talk about him, that guy. Oh God! You know what I'm talking about?
My brother.
He scored 2 goals.
He wear jello jersey.
Yeah.
If you see him, he just be say that in how you call amusement park.
The amusement park,
Now
not the 6 pack. Now we get 6 pack.
Now just only the amusement park. Now you will not know say. But outside the amusement park, oh, Baba they very tired.
Hey! I feel like when they organize match, this is a campaign they go now. Make monkey pose. Make good luck, Jonathan. And the Buhari made them play monkey pose. Anybody will win. They win the election.
Then 5. No, that one could be election by football match.
Election by football match. Then we go do one for TBS. No, not for TBS.
No, TBS no could fit.
No,
you must do 2 plays. So it could be return leg, just like the UEFA Champion League.
UEFA.
You now.
They go play for National Stadium for Abuja. That's Abuja own. Then Lagos, they go do one for.
Another new stadium where they launch. They're not going to use that.
Hey, for Bible. Now Bible.
That our stadium.
They go do one.
Mahaba say, I could stadium. If you see that stadium, if they put on the light in that stadium, Mahaba say, you are going to heaven. You actually feel your spirit upon your body into me. I thought I can make some heaven. Now for Baro. That Ibom International Airport. That entire Kotonya International Airport, Neru. Because Amardo transformation agenda for right there in front of your eyes. So they could play that game for Akwa Ibom State.
Anyway, Una, welcome back to the night show. Anything one I hear, just leave them. It's the devil's work.
Neru, they play football.
Me? Oh God! When Arsenal be one sign me that time now. See, Arsenal, Chelsea, Man U, then they drag me. Then they drag me. When I come back, I will tell you. Make a glass more chicken in the break when they come back. I'll give you a gist. Me. I they play fire.
So what's going to happen now?
Easy beat play.
Yeah.
I they play 7, 11.
13. And 36.